This is the continuation of our last tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Samira. So what we are going to use to wear our high waist hairline skirts is this simple top. Hey, you can hit the subscribe button to subscribe now, like and comment. Also turn notification bell to get notified to see all my sewing tutorial coming up on my YouTube channel. I want you to keep on watching this video to the end. Let's dive in. My fabric will be folded separately, so I will start my measurement from the length of my top. So the length of my top measurement is by 21 inches. So I'll keep on marking 21 inches as the length of my top. Then from my shoulder to my chest line is by 8 inches. So I'll keep on marking the 8 inches from my shoulder to my chest line area of my fabric. So after that, I'm going to use my ruler to connect the lines together for the chest line measurement. Don't forget it was 8 inches that I mark as the measurement. So right now I'm going to divide my shoulder measurement is by 16 inches, so I'm going to divide it by 2. So I have 8 inches to mark as my shoulder measurement. I'm going to also mark it down. Then after that, I'm going to connect it from my shoulder line to this line now. So I'm going to connect them together. That's for the shoulder measurement. Don't forget we divided it by 2. Right now I'm going to mark my neckline is by 5 inches. Then I'm going to bring it down by 3 inches as the depth of my neckline measurement. Then I'm going to curve it from the 5 inches point to the 3 inches line. So I'll go back to my shoulder and slope it by ½ inch. Then I'm going to also use my ruler to slope it down a bit. That's for the shoulder sloping. So my bust measurement is on my chest line area. So I'm going to mark 36 inches. So after that, I'm going to just add 1.5 inch as my sewing allowance. And then I'm going to mark 2 inches to curve my armhole line. So I'm going to use my ruler now to give the curve, so you can see the area that we curve our armhole area from. So going down to my waist, that's where my waist measurement is. I'm going to mark 29 inches. That's the 29 inches that I'm measuring, adding 1.5 inch as the sewing allowance for the fabric. Then I'm going to connect the marks together from the bust to the waistline area of my fabric. Then I'm going to also curve the hem line area. I'm going to curve it a bit by 1 inch. So that's the 1 inch that I'm using to curve it. Then I'm going to also use my ruler to curve it well. So once I'm done with that, I'm through with the measurements. I'm still going to my back neckline. So I've not marked that, so I'm going to go to the neckline now. So I'm going to then take my tape a bit upper. Then I'm going to mark 1.5 inch, okay, as the depth of the neckline. So you connect it also from the 5 inches point to that point that we mark 1.5 inch. That's the depth of the back neckline that we just marked now. Okay, so I think I'm through with the measurements, so I'm going to cut my fabric. So guys, I want to use this opportunity to thank each and every one of you for always watching my videos, my tutorials to the end, and your comments also. Please don't forget to always subscribe to my YouTube channel after watching my videos. Okay, so just take your time to subscribe. If you have not subscribed, please you can subscribe now also. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see this video and watch also. And don't forget also to like and also comment. So we have the back partner to cut. So it's just for us to add our zipper. Then it's 1.5 inch for the zipper. Then after that, we are going to go ahead and cut it, because we just have to lay the fabric that we've cut already, which is the front part of it. Then you lay it on the back of the back piece. Then you just go ahead and add your zipper allowance. Then once you are done with your zipper allowance, the next step is for you to start cutting your fabric. So because we've done the measurement already when we are cutting the front parts of our fabric, don't forget this time around I folded my fabric separately. It was not into four that we used to do. So this particular one that we are cutting now, we folded it separately. What I meant is that the front part was folded separately, and that's what we are using to cut the back part of our fabric. You can see how amazing today's tutorial is. So don't forget to share this video also, and also you can also comment, and don't forget also to subscribe. Yes, now please subscribe also, guys. And once I'm through with the cutting, so I'll head over to sew the neckline of my fabrics. After that, we are going to join the body part of this top that we are making today. So I'm through with my sewing now. I'll be joining the body parts of my fabric. So the bust, which is 36 inches, so you have to divide it by 2. So whatever measurement that you have, after dividing your measurement by 2, that's what you're going to mark now as your bust measurement. Don't forget, you go down to your waistline also, and our waistline measurement is 29 inches divided by 2. So I will just head over to stitch them together. So you connect the lines together from the bust to the waistline, and that's how you're going to sew when sewing your fabric, when joining them together. So just follow the line that you are connecting from the bust to the waist. You can see how it is. So please keep on watching to the end, guys. Let's see the final look of what we just made now. Guys, this is what we made, and I hope it will be helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, like and comment. Also turn notification bell to get notified to see all my video upload that will be coming up on my YouTube channel, guys. So I have similar tutorials on my channel that you can also watch. Thank you all for always watching to the end, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.